In 2011, I used to work 12-hour days in a recycle centre, earning £1 more an hour than minimum wage. In 2017, I wrote myself a letter. I put that letter in an envelope, I sealed it, and I put it in a safe. In that letter, I congratulated myself. I wrote, "Jamie, congratulations on reaching your dreams and never giving up on your goals. My goal was to buy my first supercar." Later that year, I bought my first supercar, an Aston Martin Vantage. 2018, Carl Young. After 3 years of learning to trade, he finally makes £4,675 profit in 3 days, thanks to the binary destroyer. 2018, John makes 3,798 pips in 1 day, thanks to the binary destroyer. 2017, Mark goes from nearly being homeless to paying off his entire debts, thanks to the binary destroyer. 2017, Kevin buys a car for his family, thanks to the binary destroyer. 2018, Chris Tonks turns £250 into £50,000 in less than 3 months, thanks to the binary destroyer. You see, this is not my journey, this is our journey. This is the binary destroyer family.
When I first started trading probably 3 years ago, my first year I lost £4,000, which isn't a lot. You know, to some people that's not a lot of money, but to me, when I had nothing at the time, that was a lot of money. You know, I spent 12 months of just losing money. That's all I did, was just lose money.
Okay, it's the only way you're going to be successful in trading is learning.
This video, I need to explain this picture quickly. So trading is a career, and at FX Learning you'll be learning and trading with us. So for us it's important you build a community, some friendships with us, because at the end of the day we're going to be there to teach you and support you, so we need to build a relationship up. And this picture was when a group of guys, well, a group of my students, we went out in London to do some one-on-one training, and we just had a laugh. And to be honest, that is what makes FX Learning, the community of traders. It's not all about being serious and making loads of money. It's just about the journey of success, and this picture sums it up totally. The binary destroyer was just the beginning.
So welcome to FX Learning. I wanted to make a video just explaining to you why we made the change and what the changes means to you. So just before Christmas, I asked our VIP members what they trade. Do they trade Forex? Do they trade binary? Do they trade long-term trading, short-term trading? And I found that 80% of our traders traded Forex. And the 20% that traded binary said they would love to learn Forex if they knew how to do it. So I thought it was only wise to have a complete restructure. Why have a name like the Binary Destroyer when 80% of our traders trade Forex? And the two questions that I always get asked in an email is, when I buy the Binary Destroyer indicator, does it come with training, and can you trade that with Forex? And the simple answer is yes. Our training and support is with you for life. If you need it, we're there for you. And yeah, of course, you can trade the Binary Destroyer indicator with Forex, crypto, whatever it is, Bitcoin. It doesn't matter. You're the trader. You can use it for however you want to use it. Now, as the company and business and Binary Destroyer grows, we now have over 10,000 free members, and we also have 1,000 VIP members. And I thought it was only wise to push the company forward and expand. And we're looking to do things like seminars around the country, Europe, and potentially the world to show you guys how you can create financial freedom from the stock market. And what a better way to do it than with our indicator that comes with support and training and updates for life. So that's why we made the change to FX Learning. Now, what does it mean to you? Okay, not a lot. Okay, the only thing that has changed is our company name is now FX Learning and not the Binary Destroyer. So we'll still have the Binary Destroyer Facebook group. We'll still have the Binary Destroyer VIP group, the Binary Destroyer YouTube channel. We'll even trade the Binary Destroyer still. The only difference is the Binary Destroyer indicator is now called the BD 5.0. The reason being is because all our members seem to call it the BD. So I thought, why not just call it the BD? So it's now called the BD 5.0. So yeah, everything is exactly the same. The only thing that is different is our company name is now FX Learning, and that is basically because we're looking to expand. And I thought, you know what, if I want to go to Europe or want to go to Dubai to train some students, I didn't want a name like the Binary Destroyer if I'm going to be teaching them students Forex. So I thought FX Learning symbolizes us. We'll teach you how to trade the stock market, whether that's you want to trade Forex, whether you want to trade binary, whatever it is, we'll be there to support you. So yeah, now let's go over to my computer and I'll show you some of the extra services and our new website and show you guys what better services you will get. So let's go.
So this is our brand new website, and I just want to show you some of the new features we have on our website. We still have the old one, thebinarydestroyer.com, but it is just redirecting you now to our new website, fxlearning.com. So a couple of new features on the website is we now have a blog area. Now, the blog is for you guys to keep up with all the latest news and events and anything that's worth blogging about from the FX Learning family. You can see I just made a blog this morning talking about TAD growth and how we've set TAD a challenge to build a £66 account. We've also got a couple of results from our members. Carl Young making an astonishing £4,675 in 3 days. We will also be having hopefully a demo version of the Binary Destroyer so you can see it live in action on the website before you join us. So let's show you some of the added features and services you will get when you join FX Learning. So at FX Learning, we're going to be having a brand new members area of the website. The reason we want that is because we have our Facebook group and we want to be using that for our members to interact, share ideas, maybe trading setups, and we're going to be having the website specifically for training and the support, or any latest news events exclusive to VIP members will be found on the website. So what is the sort of training you're going to be receiving with us now? So we will teach you everything from the ground up. Now, trading, as statistics and experts will say, trading is 90% mindset and only 10% strategy. But most traders out there will focus on this 10%, finding the holy grail, let's say, of a strategy. And every other trading educational company out there will focus on this, the 10%. Now at FX Learning, we'll teach you the 90%, the mindset needed. That's before you get your hands on our strategy. So when you join us at FX Learning, we will have a brand new beginners area. Now for the expert traders or the experienced traders that just want to use the binary destroyer as their strategy indicator, you're welcome to just join us freely. That's not a problem. But for the beginners that join us, we will have a brand new beginners area. In this beginners area, we will teach you everything to be successful. That is the mindset, the patience, the discipline, the money management. We'll show you everything is needed to be successful before you even look at the charts. So when you come to the charts and you come to start trading on demo, you already have a clear vision on where you want to go. You have your goals set, you have your money management, you'll understand your trading style, whether that is forex, binary, long term, short term. You will know everything before you look at the charts, and that is equally the most important thing in trading, okay, having that 90% mindset. So our training lessons we'll have training lessons on absolutely everything, and it'll be there to make your life easier. So that could be such things as, what is an RSI? How can you trade an RSI? What is a stochastic oscillator? How can you use that with your trading? What is a trend line? What is a support and resistance line? How do the markets move? What is a market maker? All those sorts of lessons will be covered with us. So it will be everything. It won't be just focused on our binary destroyer indicator. It will be about everything else. On top of our training lessons, which will be on the members area, we will have weekly webinars and homework. So each Sunday we will hold a webinar for our VIP members, and that will be about the topic that you want to talk about. So on Saturday, down here, on Saturday I will hold a poll. I've held a poll this week, and currently this week's training is raw price action. So we'll ask our members what they want to learn for this coming week. Is that price action? Do you want to learn about trends? Do you want to learn about candlestick patterns? Whatever it is, we will ask our members, and whichever has the most amount of votes, that will be our homework for the week. So on Sunday we will have our weekly webinar, and it will normally be with an admin, either myself or a few other admins in the group, and we will set the homework. The homework for us will be, let's say you want to talk about candlestick patterns. I will ask our members to show some candlestick patterns in their week's trading and to post it in the VIP group, so everybody can learn and see the different candlestick patterns that each member is seeing. And it's a good way to interact and do some homework away from the charts in the evenings, let's say. Now we will also have seminars each month. FX Learning would like to go around our country, the United Kingdom, as well as Europe and potentially the world, holding one-on-one seminars for our VIP members. This will be days where you come along to our office or come along to a hotel or conference room, and you'll be able to sit down with us, and we'll be able to watch you trade, and we'll be able to see the mistakes you are making, and then we can learn on those mistakes to make you more successful in trading, which is a good way of teaching members, because not everybody wants to watch videos, not everybody wants to read books, let's say, and people would just like to have that person standing over their shoulder watching them and seeing the mistakes they make. We will also have admins for each area of the VIP group. So when you log on to the website, there will be a list of admins, myself, Chris, John, Simon, potentially maybe Mark as well, and in there every single admin will have their own individual training lessons. So whether you want to trade binary, you would know which admin to follow, myself included, let's say. If you want to learn Forex, you would follow, let's say, John, because each member will have their different way of trading the binary destroyer, and you can follow along and see the kind of trades they set, the kind of trades they take, and the way they trade, and you can basically learn from them, which is a good way. Because let's say if I'm trading binary and you want to learn Forex, you can follow other admins in the group and see how they trade. So on top of that, we also have our Telegram group, we also have our Facebook group for you guys to interact, share your setups and trade ideas. We will also be running an advanced price action trading course. Now again, this is completely something new to FX Learning. What this will be is it will take you away from the BD indicator, and it will teach you to learn just pure naked price action. I'm sure you've seen videos of on YouTube of traders just trading naked charts, just using, let's say, a moving average, a candlestick patterns, and then using such things as harmonic patterns, pivot points, daily resistance areas, trend lines, whatever it is. We're going to teach you guys in our advanced trading course. Also on top of that, we will only deal with regulated or companies that are looking to be regulated. We will only deal with them. So we'll have a very professional partnerships with a lot of big companies. We currently have some at the minute with Go Markets. We have a great relationship with Go Markets, and they're great for both binary and Forex, and again, they are regulated and one of the biggest brokers in Australia, and we're happy to be part of them, and they are happy to have us as their partnership. Something again completely new to us is our mobile app, TradingView and MT5. Now, I want to make trading easier for everybody, whether you're trading on the move, with a laptop, with a phone, whatever it is, we will be there to support you. Our mobile app will be a game changer. So let's say you're out and about and you want to see some charts or you want to see some setups, you can load up your mobile app and you'll be able to see the binary destroyer on that. TradingView, again, our members asked for the binary destroyer on TradingView and MT5, so that is what we're going to give you. And this is just a rundown of some of the weekly training that we're going to offer. So on Sunday we'll have our webinar and homework day where we do webinars and set the homework. On Wednesday we will have our training Wednesday, so we'll just do some live trading on the homework that was set. So next week everybody's asked for price action. So today I'm going to set the homework, we'll have a webinar on price action, and then on Wednesday I will do some live trading with some members on price action. Friday we'll have our trader of the week. So the person or the trader that has showed the most amount of progress or shared the most amount of knowledge or support or just had a really good week with their profits, they will be rewarded with our trader of the week, which is something again completely different to anybody else, and you are potentially looking to maybe win some prizes there, whether that's a hoodie or some cash incentive. So on Saturday we will also have our poll, so that will be the poll for the training where I ask the members what to do. Now, what makes FX Learning completely different? And it's this: if you need the support, we will be there for you, and it will be there for you for life, and that is what makes us unique. So I quickly want to show you about our competition, which is currently being launched. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll bring that competition up for you. So this is our competition that we're currently holding. It will probably be our first and only competition we'll ever hold, and we're basically celebrating the fact that we've finally moved over to FX Learning, and we're going to be releasing, well, we're going to be releasing TAD to 3 lucky winners. So you can see that we have been testing TAD live for 12 months now, and it is 3 months away from being released. So we're giving you guys the chance to get hold of TAD completely free and 3 months before release date. Now all you've got to do is like our Facebook page, The Binary Destroyer, share our post, and tag 2 of your friends that you want to win in the comments below, and we will choose 3 lucky winners on the 16th of July. So this is a great way to obviously be part of our big celebration as we move over to FX Learning. So yeah, as you can see with FX Learning, not a lot has changed. We're still going to have the Binary Destroyer YouTube channel. We're still going to have the Binary Destroyer VIP group. We're still going to have the Binary Destroyer Facebook group. The only thing has changed is our company name, which is now FX Learning. We're still even going to have the Binary Destroyer indicator and strategy, but now it's called the BD 5.0. The reason why I renamed it the BD 5.0 is because every one of our members calls it the BD. So I thought, why not just call it the BD 5.0, because that is our version 5 of the Binary Destroyer. So yeah, as you can see, some really great positive new services coming to you, and again, the best thing about it is it's the same price as before. Nothing has changed. So yeah, well, the only thing that's done is made your life a lot better. So yeah, as you can see, that is our new service of FX Learning. I'd also like to just say as well, if you're watching this video after the 16th of July, the competition would have ended, so there's absolutely no point trying to enter it now. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm Jamie Palmer, and goodbye.